All right, we don't know if this is going to work, but there is 5 pounds of Tannerite in that tree. I'm going to set you guys right down here on the ground. Hopefully it doesn't blow up my camera. And then we're going to go 100 yards that way and try to blow it up. So here we go. All right, here we go. Oh, and it's all open sight AR-15, so don't judge us on our shooting.
Arnold!
All right, that was really loud, and it blew the whole back of the tree out, and it blew the very top off. But
Coming down. Look how it's split. Nice.
that is there's no scale. Hey, would one of you guys stand in front of it? Yeah, that's a big beech tree. Thank you, Kenny.
Feel the aftershock.
That's the back side of the tree.
You about to?
Oh God.
I wouldn't mess with that too much, Kenny. Just in case. I guess 10 pounds probably would have done it.
I think so. But that's what I said. I didn't think this one was coming down, but
It
did a number on it.
Arnold!